Hello YouTube, it's me back here with another video, and today we're going to be playing Flood Escape 2 once again. Episode 11. And we're going to play this one. And I actually made a deal with all of you guys. If we can complete all the levels, including insane and crazy, that means we can unlock Pro Mod. Oh, just glitched on me. No! Okay, okay. Okay, we did not fail on that one this time. Good. Okay. Whoa, this guy's good. Sheesh. Out of my way, people. There we go. Yeah, I made it out. You survived. Haha. Now I can mess around. Sayonara, everyone. I know. Okay, that guy got that button. Sorry, I had to pause really quickly. I was just talking to my mom. Alright. Alright, anyways. What? Oh. Sorry about that. Oh, come on. Okay. Come on, we gotta survive. I'm not gonna fall this time. There we go. I'm just doing this the old-fashioned way. Oh, that's so fast. Oh my gosh, level up, let's go. Yeah. Alright, Fallen, my favorite. Let's see if we can survive this time. Alright, everyone. Hold on any minute, everyone. Okay. Dang it. Who's on first place? Oh, well. Keep aim lock, just in case. Yeah. I, I- okay. Whoa, let's go. Dang it. Oh well, I already beat it. Oh, since I got 7, that means I can boost up. Yeah, I want to boost up. Yeah, boost up. Uh-huh. Yeah, uh-huh. Alright, I'll pause the video really quick. I'll be right back. Like this. That's better. Alright, Lava Tower. This is my vote, so let me choose. Lava Tower. Alright, come on, mates. I already beat Lava Tower, actually. I haven't beat Dark Side Facility yet, actually. Go get that. Ignore all the errors. Just keep on going. Okay, the lava's way behind. We're gonna have to unlock aim, cause there's actually wall jumping. Ooh. We'll just see about that. But okay. We're almost there, everyone. There we go. Yeah. See, guys, I told you I actually beat Lava Tower. I think it's called Lava Tower, is it? I don't know. I don't remember. Anyways, alright, guys. Total Roblox Island, Skeleton Slashers Total Roblox Island is in danger. It's flooded everywhere. So I need 3 people to go and press the button. Press the button. You haven't seen my ultimate weapon yet. Oh, never mind. Oh, never mind. Wow, already? Jeez. I'll go. No, guys, I'll go get it. There. Happy. Come on. Let's get out of here. Yeah. Oh, we'll just see about that. And any second now, it turned red. That's not good. But it's fine already because I've survived. And it can't reach up here. And it's going up again. Everyone, take cover! No! Stop spinning your head. So you just get up here, Mufasa. Anyways, let's play this map, whatever this map is called. This ghost map for Halloween. Since Halloween is actually 6 months later. Come on, come on. There we go, there we go. Yeah. Alright, let's go. Alright, come on, guys. Let's go. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, okay, okay. Good, good, good. Oh, wait, down here, everyone. Whoa. I'm gonna take a couple steps back. Okay. Alright, everyone. We're almost there. Just, yeah. Go down that slide. Alright. Let's see. Alright. Let's go. I already collected that page, so I don't need to get it again. Nope. Can't do it. That's just wasting time. Oh, come on. Come on, let's get out of here. What? Yeah. Oh, here it comes. Come on, Mike, you can make it. Never mind. We can actually swim through the ghost. That is so stupid. Whatever. Alright, this level again. Let's see if this one. Okay, focus. Okay. Whoa. Okay. Don't worry, guys. I'll go get it. I'll go get the button. Oh no! Dang it. I thought that guy will actually get the button before I fail, but I guess not. Oh well. It's already been 10 minutes. Yes! Boost up. Yes, boost up. Please, please, boost up. Please, I want harder levels. Please. I hope Dark Side Facility isn't here. Cause that level's way too hard. Way too hard. It'll be like impossible. So yeah, don't blame me. Extra blue. Alright. Alright. Hard level. Yes. Ooh, I'm not too sure about that. What type of... Let's see if we can beat it. Already got 30 coins right here. Ugh. Not gonna fail. No. I'm stuck. Ignore all the errors. Just go. Spawn any minute. Come on, come on. Yes. Come on, Mike. Yeah. You two go get it. I will. Whoa. I know the way. Whoa. Okay. Okay. Oh, come on. No, 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 no. Oh, so close. Oh my goodness, my heart was racing. Ow, ow, jeez. Ooh. Oh, I was so close. Alright, I already beat this level, and I was so happy because this level was hard. It's like, mm. Alright, that part is actually hard to get. Okay. Yeah, I know you could just do that. Oh no, 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 no. Okay. Okay. Jump here. This time. Please, 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 please. There we go. Jeez. Huh. I'm making it. Dang it! Ugh. Why do I keep dying with these records? Alright guys, I think that's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.